Hello, this is our 2020 through 2021 open house for Miss Perry and Miss Gaines. I'm going to go over some slides. Some of them I'll read, and some of them I will let you read at your leisure. And I'll also send a PowerPoint with this um, video link. This is a message from our principal. It says, "Thank you for joining us this evening. Your partnership is important to us. When we work together, we can help our Cougars rise to the challenge." Her name is Becky Mendez. This is our Connect Students Daily Schedule. It's really important that all students are on time every day. If they show up late, then they really miss a lot of instruction, and they get very confused about what they're supposed to do for that day, and they could fall behind very quickly if they're showing up late, especially every single day. So please try to make sure that your student is on time. And in the mornings, we have 2 breaks. So it's important to come back on time for after each of those breaks as well. Large group courses can be found in Schoology. It says large group is PE, art, music, and music class. The courses in Schoology contain weekly activities for the students to complete. Students will be told each day which large group to attend on Schoology. It is usually posted in their homeroom on the whiteboard. We try to keep up with that. If they finish the whole week's worth of videos, then they can use that time to do something on their own and take a break. For English language arts, reading, we have about a 15-minute mini lesson every day, and then they go into independent reading. And we also have guided reading that we can pull groups for. We do an interactive read aloud, which is where the teacher usually just models reading and thinking about what we're reading. Word study and social studies, which is integrated into reading and writing. Our writing components are also mini lessons. Those seem to go a little longer for writing, maybe 20 minutes or so, depending on the lesson. Then they go into independent writing, where they write on their own. And at that time, I could pull small groups. And grammar mechanics, that's our revising and editing time, and handwriting, which we're learning cursive. For math, students use their interactive math notebooks. They use them to record lessons and practice what they're learning, and they can also review with it. In science, we are learning new and exciting things every day. It's very hands-on, and they have a journal which they record their thoughts and experiences. It's their interactive science notebook, and they use this as a really good study guide as well. So it helps them prepare for checkpoints and tests. We follow at Holbrook, we have our pause. This is our classroom expectations. It's school-wide. It is aligned to our motto of pride, which pride, accountability, willingness, and safety, which spells out pause. And all the students are very familiar, if they've been to Holbrook, with their pause. They've changed a little bit, maybe since COVID, but overall, they are very aware of these pause. We've also added cyber pause to our pause. And these are expectations for all of our Cougar at-home learners. So I will let you read through these on your own. This is our contact information. Our conference time is during large groups. So if you have any issues, that would be the best time to get them resolved. And that is the Holbrook main number. You could call that number and ask for one of us, or ask to leave a message for one of us. We don't always get cell service, but we also have a remind that you can reach us through during the day, or you could email us. These are both of our email addresses below. Please sign up for our school messenger. You'll get important updates on COVID, stay informed. It's a great way to know what is happening in the district. Our daily student engagement, attendance, this is how we gauge attendance. For our Connect students, attendance is counted through the completion of their daily student engagement. This can be found in their homeroom course, but so engagement looks like Zoom. So if they're attending Zoom, participating, and completing their assignments in Schoology are the main things. So if you are struggling one day with connection issues, please reach out to us, because otherwise the student will be counted as not engaged and absent. For face-to-face students, if a student feels ill and stays home, please contact one of us for alternative learning options. Safety measures. All staff and students must wear a face mask on buses, in hallways, in common areas, and in classrooms when social distancing is not feasible. Students will wear a face mask when entering or exiting the gym, playground, or activity space, and when not actively engaged in physical activity. We also sanitize nonstop in the classroom, and encourage students to sanitize their hands. And there is a whole list on the Sci-Fair website of a whole document of safety measures that have been put in place for COVID. If you would like to check that out, it's available. School supplies. All students, face-to-face and Connect students, must have school supplies. You can click the backpack to get access to the grade level list. If you don't have school supplies, please reach out to me or Ms. Perry, myself or Ms. Perry. We will help you get the supplies that you need. We are doing curbside meals for Connect students. There is a list available and a schedule available. You can click the picture to get more information. We are a Title I school, so in order to stay a free and reduced lunch campus, we need to continue to show our need for that. To access the school cafe and complete the form, please click the paper bag. It's super important that we have 100% response on this. Otherwise, our funding could be pulled and we would no longer have our free and reduced lunch. So please click on this bag and complete the form. I'm not going to go through this slide, but of course you can read it at your leisure. It discusses Title I and funding and your rights. We all have online students, Connect students that are having technology issues and concerns at home. Me and Miss Perry want to help as much as possible, but our knowledge is limited. Of course, we've learned a lot, but I think the best way to get a reoccurring issue resolved with technology is to call the help support desk, or call Holbrook for assistance, especially if we are teaching throughout the day. We may not be able to get to it right away. We just wanted to say thank you so much for everything you're doing. It's not easy. We know that. It comes with its own challenges and frustrations, whether you're online or coming into school, and just concerns. And we understand that. And we know that these kids are the most important thing to you, and we want you to know that that they are super important to us as well, and we are always thinking of them first. If you need anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Yeah, well, together we will rise to the challenge. Thank you so much and look forward to the rest of the school year.